Hi, my name is Brandon. This is my wife, Keren. We're the Rosner family. We currently have all 4 of our children enrolled in the Augustine Academy. 5th grader, 3rd grader, and our twins are finishing up their first year as kindergartners at TAA. And we're excited that we're going to be re-enrolling them next fall for our, how many years?
This is going to be our 6th year next year. So we've been there quite a while and we've really just grown to love the school.
I think one of the things I recall is our oldest had been enrolled in a traditional private Christian-based school in the area, going every day each week. And I remember Keren not being satisfied with the way that we were disconnected from what was going on at the school, coming home one day telling me about this new hybrid model and was excited to enroll us in an open house to go find out more about TAA. And this idea that the children spend half their time at home doing home days where Keren is the co-teacher, and then the other half of the time at the school in the traditional building. It has been a great fit, a wonderful blessing for our family, where the educational aspect isn't central. It fits around our family, our schedule, our vocations. It has allowed us to do breakfast together as a family. It's allowed me to do read aloud as the dad, do math facts with the kids, and enjoy, really have a more joy-filled environment because of the model that we're currently involved with at TAA.
Yeah, when our oldest first started attending a school that was a traditional model, I was working outside the home and just struggled to have that balance of being involved with her school but also still continuing with my work outside the home. So I went to the open house for the Augustine Academy and fell in love immediately, knew that it was just the perfect fit for our family, and it seemed like it was just designed for us. And that sense has not changed one bit since we've been at the school.
And I would conclude by saying just that Christ-centered component is seen through the staff, the community, the curriculum, the way that it's encouraged to really be a joy-filled environment, whether it's a field trip day, a home day, or a school day. Our children have enjoyed it and thrived, and our family has thrived as well. So we look forward to seeing you at an upcoming open house this winter or spring, and hopefully you can find one of those spots that are filling up fast for next year's enrollment.
I'm sure you'll find it a very joyful experience, so we hope to see you there.
Thanks.